Okay, so you need this chart to complete number 3. If your warm-up is not done, finish it before you move on. All right, number 1, a graphic designer is able to design 3/4 of an order in 4/5 of an hour. That's my ticket. And I made my ticket right here. Order 3/4, hour 4/5. At that same rate, how much will the designer complete in 1 hour? I'm keeping track of hours on the bottom. So I cross multiply. 3/4 times 1 is 3/4. 4/5 times x is 4/5 x. So I have 3/4 equals 4/5 x. This is a one-step equation. So to solve it, I'll divide each side by 4/5. That allows my 4/5 to cancel, which is going to leave my variable x by itself. So I do the math over here. 3/4 divided by 4/5, 3/4 times 5/4 gives you 15/16. Number 2, angle A and B are complementary. That is a key word. Complementary means they add up to 90 degrees. So what I did automatically is I made a right angle. Angle A has a measure of 2n minus 10. Angle B has a measure of 20. What is the value of n? So essentially what this problem is saying is that this 90-degree angle got split into 2 different parts. One part that measures 2n minus 10 and one part that measures 20. So that 90 degrees is the same as the first angle plus the second angle. Then you combine your like terms. Negative 10 plus 20 is positive 10. If you have a 30 here, you did not combine your like terms correctly, and that will throw off your whole answer. So 90 equals 2n plus 10. You take 10 away from each side. You get 80 equals 2n. You divide each side by 2, and you get n equals 40. Number 3, the table below shows the cost for different amounts of fabric. How much does it cost per yard of fabric? So in this problem, you have 3 choices from the chart. You could use any of the 3 lines, but I prefer the first line because then you're only dividing by a 1-digit number. And even if division is not your strong suit, you can determine what answer is reasonable just by starting the problem off. So I know that 7 can go into 16 2 times. Because it can go in 2 times, that automatically eliminates answer choice B, because you see what the first digit is. It also eliminates answer choice D, based on the first digit. So 7 groups of 2 is 14. 16 minus 14 is 2. Bring that 5 down. Now 7 can go into 25 3 times without going over. So the second digit has to be 3, which is why the only reasonable answer for number 3 is A. Number 4, a real easy one. What is the probability of rolling a number greater than 4 on a standard number cube? Well, a standard number cube has numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Greater than 4, there are 2 of them. 5 and 6 are both greater than 4. So 2 out of 6, which is equivalent to 1 out of 3, are greater than 4. Today, what we are going to be working on is graphing inequalities. Graphing inequalities. So go ahead and pause the tape and get your notebook ready for starting this.